Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcasted to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Diego.
Alright guys, that was a
today.
required weekly test for August 23rd, 2017. This is probably going to be the last one I do because I start school tomorrow, and so yeah. So, see ya.